Let's now go to the benefits of having a manufacturing account. A manufacturing account is a kind of specialized accounting tool used by manufacturing companies to track and analyze the cost that is associated with the production of their goods, right? Okay. The primary benefit of having a manufacturing account is that it helps to provide valuable insight into the cost structure of the manufacturing process. However, there are many benefits of having a manufacturing account because it helps businesses to manage their finances, their inventory, and their cash flow. And it helps prepare for future production costs. So I'm going to list other benefits of having a manufacturing account, which can include the following I'm going to talk about right now. The first one is the increased efficiency. Increased efficiency. A manufacturing account can help businesses become more efficient by tracking their production costs and inventory levels. This information can help companies plan for future production runs and optimize their manufacturing processes. The second one is better cash flow management. Manufacturing accounts can help businesses manage their cash flow by tracking invoices and payments. This information can help companies budget for future production runs and make informed financial decisions. Let me now go to the third one, which talks about informed decision making. Manufacturing accounts can provide businesses with valuable information about their production costs, right? If that's true. The inventory levels and sales. This information that was gathered can help companies make informed decisions about their manufacturing processes and future production runs. The fourth one is improved financial planning. Manufacturing accounts can help businesses plan for future production costs by tracking current and historical data. That's about that.